Test, test. Hello. Okay, just getting back to work. I'm still working on my music stuff. Alright, let me just get started. Okay. So I've been playing around with dynamic music, as far as like animation that syncs with the beat of the song. So that seems to work reasonably well. So now I'm trying to integrate it back into the game. So I'm trying to integrate the code into my music manager. It's a little bit ugly, but yeah, but I'll see if I can get it to work properly. Audio play in sync group. Yes, yes. I need to start this. Hang on. Pause and resume. Destroy sync group. When they are not in use to free up memory and sound resources associated with. Okay. Can probably keep it, right? There we go. Found this. Is playing. I remember calling stop sync group, but it didn't work. How reliable is it? This function will stop the given sync group if it is playing with the group index being the value returned when you created a group using the function. Okay. Stop sync group means it stops playing the audio, right? Okay.
cranes up.
Hang on, I need to warm up a bit. What am I looking at here? Oh. Active music. Oh, hang on. This is... I need to rewrite my music manager, I think. Handler reacts to room change UI. Okay. Okay. Hey, yo, Lucius. Is it? That's the anime Souls-like, right? I've not looked into that. I was about to check the review, but then I forgot. I left the video without clicking it. It's not a Souls-like? What is it? Only thing I know about it is this anime. Platform... Scarlet Nexus, platform type of game. Interesting. Like Astro Chain but with platforming. But better. I see. That's good, right? As Astro Chain is pretty well regarded. So to be better than that means that it's good. Hang on, eh? Oh my god, how do I rewrite this? How do I rewrite this? Oh hey! Thanks for the follow, Cinobite. Hello. Plat Games. Plat Games is Platinum Games, is it? I see. Who's the developer? You know what? Let me test my dynamic stuff. Bandai Namco, I see. That's good. I wonder if the local studio have like a hand in it. Because there's a local one in Singapore. Okay, let me just... Oh crap, I forgot something. Damn! Okay, go to the test. You check the creds, nice. Because we don't really hear a lot about the local studio. I'm not entirely sure what they do. Okay. Let me put 0.5 here. Put 0.5 here. I've been working on like dynamic, like music switching, and I realized that you cannot just switch music at any point in time. It doesn't sound good. You have to switch it at like a specific point. And I tried switching it at the end of a bar, right? Bars, which is like the end of every 4 beats. I think that seems to work. Where is the music? I'm not sure if it's too loud. Right, this is the epic version of the music. This is the less epic one. Wait, what the? What the? Why is this side? Oh, I get it. Hang on. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. And to change this as well. Just a moment. 0.5 here. 0.5 here. Bum, 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 bum. Mm-hmm. Okay. See, this is the calm music. Alright, and then I can switch to the epic one. Okay, it's not that smooth, but I guess it's not that bad. Okay, let me switch again. Da, 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 da. Let me switch again. Could be better, I think. Switch again. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I actually have to count. I got this program like through the recommendation of John. I downloaded this program called Reaper. I'll show you. That's very cool. So I don't hang on. I have to wait for this. So this is I do not know what you call this kind of program, to be honest. Like I'm not a sound person, but it's a very cool thing about it is that I need to know when to, like, if you notice there's this red circle, right, that is like animating. So I need to know when to make it beat harder, when to make it beat slower. And I actually need to count like when that should happen. But this program makes it easy for me to count. This program makes it really easy for me to count. Like, I can just do this, right? Okay, and then I set the BPM. Hang on, what the hell is this? I screw things up. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 6 is the BPM. Right? I set the item property, change the playback, set it to 126 also. Okay, and once that is done, right, you'll notice something very nice. You see all this beat? It aligns very nicely to each of these vertical lines. And then if I need to know when to beat it faster, right, I can just like play the music and then look at this number. This means that this is at the 15th bar, I can change the animation speed or something like that. It's very cool. Yeah, it's not free. It's not free. It's not free. It's not free, but I think I can keep evaluating it. Hey, yeah. Why are you telling me it's not free? Like, I use the program. It's shown before me, right? I know it's not free, but I can keep evaluating. Yeah, that's great. That's great. I like that. I like that. Yeah, but it's I just need to know like which bar I should like change the animation speed. Oh yeah, there's a pop-up. You have to wait 5 seconds. Like a bit like Construct. A bit like Construct. It's also very loud in here. It's super loud. Okay, I think I can close it. It's very nice. At least I don't have to manually count it. Hello, Calazor. Let's see, how do I write my code? How many guns? Yeah, how many guns, man? I thought it'd be a good idea to work on stupid. Well. Should just work on gameplay first. I assure you, it's never a wrong decision to work on gameplay. Okay. It needs to get done eventually. Yeah, it needs to get done eventually, but I don't know, man. You know, your motivation just dips the moment you start working on UI. I know that happens for me. So I work on everything else first. Anyways. And more than dip in nosedive. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, why not just have a change of scenery, work on gameplay? Gameplay is always fun. Gameplay is always fun to work on. Anyways, I'm trying to integrate the sync group into my current music manager, but I feel like whatever I've written before really doesn't fit the use of a sync group. I might as well rewrite the whole music manager. I should probably rewrite it, right? Am I going to work on your UI? No. 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 You can just use hotkey, I guess. Use hotkey to skip levels. It's so painful to work on UI. You know, like a lot of my earlier games, right? I don't even make buttons. Because I make web games in the past. I'll just have something I press X to continue and it just keeps flashing. And that's all I do for UI. It's the lazy way. Java did make a good proposal. Oh, about using Unity? I guess you can do that. Now, of course, the switching of a game engine always means getting over the learning curve as well. How familiar are you with Unity anyways? I mean, if you are, then there's no reason to not use it, I guess. Alright, if your game is UI heavy. If your game is UI heavy, I'm not sure like how useful GameMaker is in that aspect. Audio sound gain. You could, but you're going to struggle with GameMaker's UI. It's fine. Right, I see. Yeah, you're going to struggle with the lack of UI in GameMaker. I'm trying to think about what to do here. How should I go about doing this? I think I want to rewrite this. I should probably rewrite this. Big Dan. How's Unity UI? You've only used it once or twice and that's a long time ago. Oh, it has a UI system, I guess that's fairly decent, right? You can specify the anchor points. You can say that your UI element will be anchored to the top left or to the middle of the screen, to the top right, and so on and so forth. But I have not used enough of it to give you like a good evaluation of how good it is. Yeah. Better than yeah, that's the thing, right? Like at the moment, I struggle less making my own UI than if I were to learn Unity's UI, simply because I'm more used to GameMaker, right? Only because of that. So it really depends on your own circumstances, right? Like how, well, I don't know. It all depends on whether learning Unity is faster than writing your own UI. So a case by case basis. Now, if I'm doing 3D, right, I'll most likely be using Unity. That one is for sure. I think I need to delete this. Oh, I don't know, man. How do I do this? Oh, will I make a 3D game in GMS too? I think I would love to. I would love to. I want to try raycasting in like writing a raycasting engine on top of GameMaker. Maybe. Or maybe not. I think GameMaker has some kind of an interface, provided some kind of a API for doing 3D rendering. There's just no graphical interface for it. You love to torture yourself. Maybe. I mean, it's I don't know. I feel nostalgic for those times where I have to write engine stuff. It's a long time ago. What's the definition of 2.5D though? Are you talking about isometric view or are you talking about... Because like I don't know, like the definition of 2.5D is so loose. Like people refer to 3D graphics but 2D gameplay as 2.5D, but some people also refer to isometric view as 2.5D. So like what's your definition of 2.5D? But what do you have in mind when you ask the question? Surely you have something in mind when you asked it? Otherwise, how am I going to answer the question? 2.5D. I don't know. Isometric view maybe. Isometric view maybe. M active song not equals to music. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, active song is here. See, I have an active song and I have an active music. What is this? Okay, active song, active music. Like allowing for depth perception isn't 2.5D like projecting 3D environment onto 2D plane. Is that it? So that's your definition. I see. Allowing for depth perception. Projecting 3D environment onto 2D planes. I can't visualize it. Projecting 3D environment onto 2D planes. What does that mean? Pre-rendering. Do you have like a visual reference? Do you mean something like Octopath Traveler? Or something like that? No idea, don't ask you. You asked the question, come on. You asked the question, 2.5D. Okay. Anyways, let me just continue this. I'm going to be staring at this for a long time. I'm not actually sure what I need to do here. Just be staring at this. Oh, what's that? Uh, 2.5D is primarily used to describe games that combine both 3D polygonal graphics and traditional 2D gameplay. So, like Dread maybe. Or like Smash Brothers. 2.5D has also been used to describe early first-person shooters that use 2D sprites instead of 3D models, like Doom. Okay. So like there's a few definitions for it, right? I think I can do this one. In GameMaker, there's a lot of people that do this. The one that where you put the 2D sprites in 3D space. So this one. The second one is more likely to implement, I think. More easier to implement, maybe. Alright, the first one would require writing a model loader on top of GameMaker, which is a lot of work, right? Like, what kind of a model format do I even want to support? OBJ maybe? OBJ is the simplest, but OBJ doesn't support animation. So there's a lot to take in. Cool, man. Thanks for the link. Play music. Ah, damn it. I don't know what I'm doing. Song index. Oh. Oh. Hang on. I don't know if I can just force this in. Force sync group into my current code that obviously does not support that. It's a bit convoluted, I feel. Anyways. Start sync group will play the music, yeah? Hey Amanda, I thought you usually stream on Saturday. What happened to Majora's Mask? What happened? Okay, start sync group. Stop previous music. Oh, you haven't decided when you use IC. Bum 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 bum. Song index. Ah, I see. I don't know why I have this active music here. Let me just remove this. Active song. Oh, I see. Hang on. Active song, blah blah blah. I need to change this one soon. Oh, it's a mess, man. This is a mess. Handle to current song. ID of current song. Oh yeah, I have a question. What do you call a program like Reaper? What's the term for it? DAW. What does it mean again? Digital audio workstation? Nice, thank you. Okay, got it. I'll try to remember that. Too fast. I mean, she's the audio person. You say DAW. Do you call it DAW or DAW? How do you pronounce it? You see how it is? What do you mean? I don't get it. But how you say DAW? That we don't even read out the letters. Like DAW? DAW? Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, there's so much I don't know about you, Kalazor. What do you work as? What's your what's your day job? If you don't mind me asking, yeah. It's entirely okay not to not answer it if you think it's too private a question. Your day job, you work at Yo-Yo Games? Holy crap! Really? Wow! Wait, For real? I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, of course, yeah. Bum 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 bum. Da, 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 da. Oh, what am I doing, man? Okay, let me delete this. I need to rethink this. Oh. Oh yeah, it's the Steam Summer Sale. You know what? Hang on. I need to check if Nier Automata is on sale. It's not on sale. Damn, it's not on wait. Am I looking at the right title? Yeah, it's not on sale. Automata is not on sale. I mean, he is Yo-Yo Game, but I also know there was a sale because Yo-Yo Games emailed everyone. Just insider info. Oh, that's why he knew beforehand. Is that what you're saying? Perhaps. I see. Have you checked out the link that I pasted on the Game Dev channel? This is like the reality of the indie game scene, right? In 2013, median indie games make approximately 110k, and top 25% makes 590. But in 2019, right, the median indie games make only 1400, and everything below basically zero. Top 25% made 12k, which is obviously not sustainable. You have to be in the top 5% of indie games these days to make 413k. And one more thing, the figures above, right, is that of a 5-year revenue, so it's very little money. Scary, right? But it's expected. That's just the way it is now. That's pretty scary. That's why I have day jobs, yeah. Don't have to hit you with that reality. In 2021, it's probably like the $100 Steam fee Unless you make the next Minecraft. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. I know, right? Scary. Isn't it cause 2013 had many good indie games? What about Flappy Bird? No, this is just Steam. This is just Steam. The figures there is just Steam only. Steam only. So developer these days try to diversify, right? They try to release on multiple platforms for good reasons. You cannot just release on Steam these days and expect well, I mean, it's a gamble, right? To just release on Steam. Yeah, it's a gamble. There's always success stories, obviously, but I think more and more there are outliers. It's fine, making money from games is the goal, but it's not your motivation. Hey, that's great. That's great. That's great. Guess we sing alike, I guess. That's great. Yeah, I think most of us who's making games are in it because we like making games, right? Not for anything else. Yeah. Novelty jobs be a novelty. Yeah, my goal is to eventually become sustainable. Eventually, but um um yeah, I'll just have to keep trying. Okay. Oh, hello, Jofa. There was a talk. Yeah, I've seen that talk. In fact, that talk. I mean that post was written by the same person, if I'm not wrong. That tweet was by the same person who presented that exact talk. How to survive in game dev for 11 years without a hit. Yeah, so he was sustainable for 11 years. That's pretty cool, right? Um. Oops. Why can't I spell music? Wasn't that the Spiderware guy who built a small following when indie wasn't really? Yeah, he started really early, right? Hmm. When indie wasn't really a thing and just maintained it. Right. Yeah. That's true. Hello, Captain Blade. How's it going? How's your key binding going? Oh wait, you said you managed to get it working, right? Music game epic. Pretty good. Awesome. How about me? Yeah, I'm doing okay. Doing okay. I'm trying to rewrite my music manager. I don't know how I should go about doing this. You think COVID is gonna wipe out a lot of the floor because parents aren't gonna be encouraging their kid to go into deaf in these conditions? Imagining the median earnings for indie will rise a little over the next few years because demand for games likely won't go down. I see. Music game epic. Yeah! I'm trying to do some audio related stuff. Like, let me show you. So I've done it in a test scene right now. I'm trying to integrate it back into the base code, but I'm not entirely sure how to go about doing it. But oh my god, what the hell just happened? Hang on. Oh, I know. Just a moment. Really? What the hell is going on? What? What? I don't know. I broke something. Hang on. Why is there two instances of the song playing? Hang on. Just a moment. Okay, I muted this, yes. Okay, there we go. Anyways. You can kind of see that I am trying to do some animation, right, that is synced to the beat of the song. So something like that, but I also want to switch between two versions of the music. So if I can switch, right, and it will play a less epic version of the song. Something like that. And I have to switch at a particular instance, like at every bar. That's the only time where I can switch the music. Otherwise, it sounds super weird, right? And then I can switch back to the epic. It can be a bit better, I feel. Yeah. There we go. Okay, I can switch again. Something like that. And but that is a test scene, right? And I'm trying to kind of integrate the code for that into my current code base, but yeah, I'm not actually quite sure how I should go about doing it. Oh no, I did not do the music. The music is by Dizzy Man. Let me go to his handle on Twitter. So he's the composer I've been working with for a few years already. Dizzy Man. I'm going to paste his handle right here. Yeah, he has a Fiverr link as well. So you can also commission him right here. Yeah, it's great. I like working with him. Okay, back to this. I am not in the top 5% of the developers. And you know, right? Anyone below the top 25% is basically making no money. That's the scary truth. That's the scary truth. Okay. That is the truth. Thanks, Jofa. You make 10k a month working at YoYoGate. Awesome. For the past few days, you've been working on boss fights. You think the test one you made was pretty good? Oh, when is it available for testing? I would love to give it a go. Nah, Kalazor is just kidding. I think Kalazor is kidding. Are you? I honestly can't tell. I have to be kidding, right? Okay, there we go. Test level. Ignore. There we go. You still have the maps and sprites to do. And music. Ah, I see. Nice. Can't wait to check it out when it's ready. Oh, that's why even though you prefer doing game audio, but TV film audio seems like it'll yield more return. Yeah. Or you could perhaps bring our service to those more established studios. I think we have a few in Singapore. A few isn't enough, to be honest. Well, it's pretty playable now with combat and stuff, but not really in any content. Ah, okay. Understood. Yeah, too no name to do that. Is that true? I mean, there's the saying that goes, what? Fake it till you make it? By the way, any particular ways to make it so sprites rotate correctly in low resolutions? Can you define rotate correctly? Like, what do you mean by rotate correctly? Are you talking about pixel perfection? Most of inbound clients are not even in SG. Right, because SG is too small, alright? Right. Most of inbound clients are from Taiwan. Oh, I see. I'm not aware of that. That's cool. Taiwan and Malaysia? Okay, if you have, for example, 320 by 180, if you rotate the sprites, it looks kinda funky because of pixel limitation. Oh, I see what you mean. In that case, here's what you can try doing. Can go to your level, right? And then if you if you can give your viewport, make your viewport bigger, because if I recall correctly, right, the pixel density is based on these values, not this one. So if you notice, my viewport is bigger than my width and view height. So the application surface pixel density is based on this. Yeah. So I enable my camera, right? And then you have to do this in init. You have to do this in init so that the game starts at the right size. So I enable my first viewport. This is the native game resolution, like 180, 320. The viewport, I multiply it by 3 times. Yeah, let me know if that works for you. They use royalty-free sounds from what you remember. Really? Wow, okay. In fact, you're gonna try it out. Oh, okay, awesome. What's up with this song? Actually, it's still a thing that's very much an afterthought. You're talking about even the established studios? So if you're talking about indies like myself, right, we have no choice. Actually, you think you already do that, so maybe you need to increase the numbers. Ah, I see. Increasing the numbers will increase the size of your window though. It's not just SG, I see. Song index equals to music. It's a very ugly way of writing the comparison. A lot of indie studios in general just don't really allocate budgets for audio or give audio enough time or include them early. I see. Guess they need to be more informed about it. It didn't work. Oh, do you have anywhere in your code where you resize your application surface? Like, do you have this? Do you have a function called like this surface resize? Do you have this one? Like maybe you have something like this in there. Surface resize application surface blah blah blah. Yeah man, fellow game maker user. I wrote my own engine back in DigiPen. Yeah, I wrote it with together with a few classmates. Yeah, I mean that's what we are trained to do. Back in DigiPen. Why don't I want to write my own engine again? Because it's time consuming. It's time consuming. If you want to support multiple platforms, right, you have to write different different implementations for different hardware, right? So if so that means I need to invest money into getting those hardware, right? And then how about providing support? So if I sell a game using my own engine, right, and there is something that is not compatible with the user's hardware, then it's also on me to fix it, right? Like I have to figure out what's going on and whatnot. So there's just so much I have to worry about. And not to mention, I'm not even sure if I can get an engine to be, you know, like commercial, industry standard. Right, I can get something to work, but is it good? That I cannot say for certain. That could work, but it would also break your GUI. Your GUI. I'm afraid you. Let me think. Why not render your GUI on the GUI layer and then you resize your GUI layer instead? So something like this. Display underscore resize. Sorry, I forgot. Display underscore GUI. This I forgot the name. God damn it. Display set GUI size. This one. So if you draw all your UI on the GUI layer, right, then you can just set the GUI layer to be of hang on. To be, you know, your to be this resolution 320 180. You can do that. Yeah, although I'm not sure if you need to set it every time you change your room. This one I'm not very sure. Scarlet Nexus boss battles are pop. Really? That's cool. I will keep an eye out for it after I play Nier Automata. Too much work basically. Then why did you choose Game Maker Studio 2? Because I like it. I think the workflow suits me, right? Like it exposed enough to you, right, such that you can control a lot just by writing the code, right? You don't have to go through this different layers of abstractions like in Unity. You know, if you want to switch to a different frame, right, it's just image index equals to some number, right? You don't have to worry about checking out the animator and all this stuff, trying to set up trying to set up this diagram, this state machine, right, just to get the animation to work. So yeah, I like the simplicity of GameMaker Studio. It works? Yeah, awesome. Happy to know it works. Okay, speaking of Nier, the characters telepathically attack with their weapons like the Nier android. Boss can now spin. Nice. Awesome. no problem. I'm happy to help. But yeah, Amanda, like I said, I quite like GameMaker's simplicity. Like there's this how straightforward it is that I really appreciate, you know. Hello Hannah, how's it going? How's work? It's your birthday? NANI? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Hannah. Happy birthday to you. You're 21 now. Ah, I'm reminded of just how young you are. Congratulations. Do we have a kick emoji? Kick. Oh, no kick. Darn it. Oh dear. Any plans to celebrate? Mini party happening later today. Nice. It's great, man. You can only invite 5 people. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. Yeah, have fun, man. Lucius is not invited. Well, there's only 5 people. Yeah. Let's do the birthday dance. This is the life, right? That you have graduated. Now you have this period where you're just free to do anything you want until you enroll into university. And this is the life, man. You can just chill. Audio start sync group. Yeah, shackled by. Oh, right. Yeah, I forgot. Right. How's the job though? Come to your house through the internet. It's a chill job. That's great. That's great. Tolerable. Yeah. Sometimes that's all we can ask for. sometimes. Are you mentally prepared for Digipen? Because it's going to be really different from Polytechnic. The phase when game turns into bullet hell sync to what music in the final. Oh, what game? What game are you talking about? Oh, this? Just imagining my... my game. Wow. What happens if my game becomes a bullet hell in the end? How do you play a bullet hell with one button? That's an interesting challenge. Anyways, you don't really know how to really transition to uni life? You don't know how classes are gonna be like. With skills and dedication. So, the good thing is that in Digipen, right, there's this, how do I put it? There's this room, that you can go into to work, and usually you have like, staff members and TAs, walking around to help people. So if you need help, right, you can always approach them. Help is always there. That's number one. If you need another tip, right, it's during lesson, take notes. Anything you don't understand, make sure you pen it down. Because after the class, right, you can actually go to the professor and clarify any pointers with them. Yeah. Also, every professor have these consultation hours, so you can book them and ask them questions as well. Dixon keeps scaring you, saying that you have no social life. That was especially true for my time maybe, but I heard it's a bit different now. It's no longer that hectic, I think, but it's probably still tough. It's still tough, right? I think if you are good at managing your time, you'll manage. You'll be able to get through it. But if you're not careful, then you will find yourself having very little sleep, I think. So you just have to be careful about this. But back in your uni days, students drank alcohol with the professors, some smoke with the professors. Yeah, there's no such thing in the... I think Digipen has this very strict rule about professional distance between the prof and the students. Yeah, they're very strict about that. At least during my time, they were strict about that. I do not know about now. Anyways, I don't actually know how to write my code, man. Yeah, but if you're talking about getting help with like the academic stuff, there is always people there to help you. You don't even have to worry about that. Yeah, I think it's all about the you seeking them out to ask questions. Yeah. But time management is very important. Yeah, that one I'm terrible at it, so I cannot really offer you any advice. But yeah, you just have to be careful about it. Can't drown you in work if there's a... Ooh. Okay. What am I working on at the moment? Oh, that music thing that I was showing you, I'm trying to put it into the actual game because the thing that I was showing, right, was a testing room. So yeah, I'm just trying to integrate it, but I do not know how to I don't know how to write my code properly. Because the music, I'm using sync group for the in-game music, but the title screen, right, is using the normal functions like audio play. So yeah, I have to figure out a way to make everything fit in. Demonetize? I'm not monetizing this thing. You don't have to. Don't worry. I'm not. I'm not looking to monetize this at all. Yeah, anyways, you definitely try your best to see your tuition fee. You feel like you have to work extra hard. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like when I was writing my music manager, I made a certain assumption about how the music is going to work, right? Then I was doing the dynamic music stuff, and I realized that it has to be done a different way. So now I'm trying to fit that right into what I have already written. So it's either I forcefully jam this in somehow, or I rewrite my entire music manager. So yeah. Make friends, enjoy your uni life. Yeah, make friends. That's the cool part. Make friends. Wouldn't it be easier to rewrite the music manager? Yeah, I think you're right. I should probably rewrite it, right? Damn. I should probably rewrite it. Yeah, let me just stare at this for a bit and think. I should probably rewrite it. Don't worry, Hannah, you can do it. Don't worry. You can do it. Oh, I can rewrite this function alone. Start sync group. Okay. Yeah, don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Have I mentioned my ex-classmates are teaching there? They are fun people, so you don't have to worry. Song index equals no 1. Active song equals audio play. Okay. 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 Oh, Hannah will have to learn programming as well. Yeah, even the Arcos, they have to learn programming. I think there's no escaping like 1 or 2 modules of programming. Wait a second, is it actually done? No, it's not. Okay, it's not. Oh man, my code sucks. My code sucks. Yeah, it's still gonna be design focused, I think. You also can't escape the 2 modules of live performing. What's that? Live performing? What is that? Sync group playing. Hating your own code is the most indie dev thing ever. Yeah, I really hate this one. Like, how do I? Damn. What if I just use sync group all the way through? No, but that means I need to rewrite parts of my title screen. No. Okay. Most programmer thing ever, even. True. Yeah, composition and production major, not performance major. Oh, I see. In the first 2 trimester, your uni went by trimesters, right? We had the module for ensemble, and you had to perform in the bar. Wow, sounds fun. No, not the title screen. Perform a few songs. What did you play on? What did you play? Audio stop sync group. I'll just try to get it to work first, and maybe in the future I will come back and rewrite this if need be. I'll try to figure out a way to gel the 2 different types of audio playing together. Keyboard, ooh. That's awesome. Sync group playing. Audio stop sync group. If sync group. I think this... I don't know if this works. Let me try. You're not comfortable performing to a crowd, obviously. The crowd was literally just other students as well and the judges. Oh! Okay, this part, at least this part is still working. Let's try. Oops! Ah, right, I have to mute the sync group separately. Damn it. Okay, let's go back to home. It seems to work, but I do not know why the audio balance is it's way off. Like, the title screen is so much softer than everything else. Huh? What happened? Hang on. Is it supposed to be that soft? Title 0.35. 0.25. 0.25, Don't mind performing for a crowd as long as they don't immediately look directly. The music? Oh, the music is by Dizzy Man. Yeah, man. Love Dizzy Man. Let me give you his Twitter handle. Dizzy Man. There we go. I think I did something wrong. The audio balance is way off. Oh, I think I'm actually playing both audio at the same time. Whoopsie daisy. No wonder it's so much louder. Crap. I'm playing both music at the same time. Okay. Well, at least I know what's the problem now. Every time I say Dizzy Man for a split second, you hear Busy Man. I'm sorry, my pronunciation is quite terrible. Maybe Dizzy Man is a busy man. Yeah, he is very busy. He is very busy. That is definitely true. You went to your performance... What? You went to your performance friend's final year recital, and obviously other students were there, but you could invite your friend's family and they are judged there to perform their oh, I see. There are judges there. So the reason why the audio balance is way off is because I was playing two instances of the audio at the same time. That was not very smart of me. Okay, now one more thing I want to do is I want to copy the test animation thing over. Copy this. Copy. Paste. Gonna write a scale offset in there. Scale offset 1. Hmm. You knew a guy who went on some Chinese singing competition. Wow! That's cool. Voice of China. Oh, I wasn't aware of such a show. Is it like American Idol? I'll copy this. What? Why can't I copy multiple events? Oh my goodness, am I supposed to copy one by one? Come on, GameMaker, come on. Come on. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. There you go. It's Chinese Australian. Oh, I see. Yeah, I guess like when we use an engine for so long, right? We'll start having like certain complaints about it. My biggest complaint would be that the mobile support is really slow. But that was back then. I'm not sure if it's still slow now. Oh hey, Ixig, hello. You're stuck in a public place, right? And someone keeps replaying a song. It's caught. I feel like a monster. Okay. Yeah. Oh dear. Please don't punch him though. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna switch to a better engine that allows multiple event copies. Oh, I put 0. Oh, okay. Looks like I hard-coded something. Let me fix that. just played the same song 15 times. He must really like that song then. Saving like 10 seconds, baby, let's go. Yeah! Yeah, saving 10 seconds. 10 precious seconds. How do people stand listening to the same song twice in a row more? I have no idea. Is this enough? I sure hope it is. No, it's not. It's not enough. Hang on. Ah, there we go. This is the code. Song index. This part of the code is pretty crappily written as well. Is playing. Yo, okay, am I even half of the way through the game? Or my project? Yeah, it's halfway. It's more than halfway. It's more than halfway, but the final 10% is so hard. It's so difficult to finish. There's the polishing that I have to get through. Song is getting to my typing skills. You know someone at uni you didn't even know she was in a band with her husband, and another friend you're assuming she was in composition major. But yeah, they have performed on Jimmy Kimmel before. Nice! Look at that. Friday night. Oh, that rhythm game, eh? Okay, got it. I got this part done. All you're hearing is beep. Elton John heard their music as well. That's cool. Final 10% is just annoying because it's like you can release the game now, but this 0.0001 chance bug is still there. What? Yeah, I know, right? And it's also having to wrap up and finalize all of the polishing, and those can take a lot of time. Calling it self-defense for sanity. I crashed the thing. Line 2. Line 2. Let's take a look. Ah, it's this one. Hey, what am I doing here? Oh. Wait, what's the hell is this line of code doing? This is for switching. Nope, I'm not switching. Hang on, let me check something. Yeah, okay, got it. This is for switching, so I don't have to do anything yet. I'm not gonna switch the music yet. Localization. Yeah. Localization is a nightmare, right? We've been through it. We've been through it a few times. Once in Space Jack, where we learned it the hard way because like we didn't actually separate our text into a separate data file. It's a newbie mistake. We should have done that. So we didn't do that. So we paid the price. We have to refactor a lot. After that, I did it for Serial Scramblers, which is very time consuming. I'm not sure if I need to do it for this game. Hopefully not. But in any case, I still have to localize the store text. That one cannot be avoided. Speaking of Minecraft, you're now hearing a guy with an Indian accent saying, Okay. In Minecraft in real life? What does that mean? There's an event in the game where you have to enter a code that you can only get from watching the anime of the game. Are you serious? They are talking about Scarlet Nexus, right? Goodness. Okay, especially localization to non-Latin alphabets. Oh god, that is a nightmare. Right. Yeah. The font is definitely a problem. I remember having a lot of trouble with Turkish. Like the font I was using is missing quite a few vital characters, and I have to hand draw it using FontForge. It's a bit of effort. This guy walking around just with editing to make it look remotely like my okay. You rather just pay someone $10 billion to localize the game. Why is this running like this? What the hell? Why is it so loud? Oh my god, what's going on? scratch that, you will pay for every single player's English class. Huh? If you were paid to remake a game with the most complex code, probably not. Probably not. Sometimes it takes an entire team to do it. Anyways, I'm not sure why the audio from the... I'm not sure why the audio here is so loud. You know what, let me try something. What is going on, man? Everything else is so soft. What? Setting the audio sound gain here doesn't work. Let me play the audio here. Would you remake a game that took 100 people to make and it took 10? No, no, definitely not. If it's Pong, you would do it. I don't think I will have much progress today. Just let me test something. O_debug console.log to screen. I'm gonna log this to screen. I want to see what's the volume. One. Alright, it's either 1 or 0, got it. Okay. Ah, there's a volume mod, I forgot about this. There we go. There we go. Let me check again. It feels like it's never gonna end, and instead of a passion, it's gonna be a sense of duty, which isn't very motivating. I can relate to that. Still so goddamn loud. Why? Audio. It's not working. $10 years is a long time indeed. Music equals music game. Anyways, something is wrong with this debug console.log to screen. Volume mod. Eh? Volume mod is just one. What is this volume? Oh! Ah, goodness. I'm seriously daydreaming. Okay. Daydreaming. Your device sucks and it hasn't exploded yet. Yeah, the moment I realized it's yeah, exactly. Damn. Still so bloody loud. What the hell? Oh. No. The hell? Do I have... no. What's going on? What if I just put 0 here? What happens? Game dev moment, yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm just not thinking straight. Okay, putting 0 will make it muted. So what is wrong with this? I'm going to do this here. Yes, we're going the phase where I start printing random numbers. Minus, what the hell? -1. 0.5, okay. 0.5. 0.5. 1. Okay. It's because of this, got it. But the first screen, there's something wrong with the first screen. I have to be careful about that. Okay, let me just... Oh. Let me just... Okay. I do not know why this thing keeps counting up. Anyways. Something is wrong. I want to see if this thing actually does not work at all. Let me try 0.01. Let's try, let's go. Oh wait! No, wait, no, nothing's wrong, nothing's wrong. 0.5, 0.5. Oh wow! Something crazy. So in sync group, no matter what I put here, right, it actually doesn't work. What the hell? What is this? What is this? I'm gonna put 0. Yeah, we do have points. Just type exclamation mark points. Then you can see how many points you have. Wow, yeah, this is, oh my god, why? Just doesn't make sense. Anyways, okay, at least I figure out why it wasn't working properly. Do I just hardcode the 0.25 in there? Sync group volume mod, I guess. 0.25. Mega loud, I'm sorry. I probably set my music volume somewhere. I don't think so. I don't think so, because if I put this as 0, I will not play the audio at all. Let me think. Yeah, I have a question. Is this audio gain the same as this one? It's a different thing, right? It's a different thing, right? Is it the same thing? Let me look it up. This function will affect all instances of the sound that is currently playing in the room if the index is a sound resource. I'm going to try something. I'm going to put this music at 1.0, so it'll be loud for a while. Brace yourself. Oh, it's not that loud even though I put oh. Wait, does it actually not matter? Well, I guess it doesn't actually matter. guess it doesn't actually matter then. Let me put 0.35. Yeah, I think that's something that I fundamentally misunderstood about the function to set the gain of the audio. Wait, is this softer? Wait a second. No, it's actually louder. Is it? My god, I can't tell. I think it's actually louder. Yeah, it's actually louder. So it works here, but with sync group it does not work. Wow. That is annoying. Why does that happen? Voice shirt made out of pockets. We have plenty of pockets. Indeed. Now I can't bloody hear it. Oh, I got it. Callous. There we go. Okay. At least it resembles the original volume now. Yeah, but I have yet to get the, you know, that pulsing to the beat thingy. I've yet to get that in. I've only get it to not break. Guess not breaking is a start. How does that even work? Oh, I'm the meta ball thingy that I was working on last time. I'm going to make it animate according to the beat. That's what I want to do. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So that red ring that I was demonstrating earlier, that's just a test. How does the other thing work? Oh, the changing of the music? The switching of the music is going to be dependent on like a certain rule. Let me see if I can find it. So I drew it out in Paint. So this is actually not really necessary for my game, but I just thought, like, you know, let's give it a try so that I can apply this to my future projects. I have 2 versions of the music, and these are the rules to determine which one to play. So if there is if the player is inactive for like more than 10 seconds, right, then I will switch to the calm version of the song. And otherwise, if you know, if the player is like performing like more than 5 action in a period of time, right? Actions counting as like wall jumping, collecting coins, or death. If they are doing that within a certain period of time, then I will switch to the more action-packed version of the music. At least that's the plan. Yeah. Oh, sorry, you mean meta balls? Oh, sorry, meta balls. How does meta balls work? I implemented it in Shader, but the logic for that is not too difficult. Let me see. How do I do it? Well, let me see if I can just go to the shader first. Quantize. So this shader is very specialized for my game only, right? It wouldn't work in other games, but let's take a look. So I have this thing called the gray value, where I calculate the value of the pixel. Do I have Paint? Hang on. I mean, like, I have all of these positions that I throw inside the shader. So I also specify a radius. So the idea is that the closer to these dots the pixel is, the higher the value. So this is like 1.0. And here, right, it will be 0.0. 1.0, 0.0, something like that. And if there's an overlap like that, what's going to happen is this is 1.0, right? Here is 0.0, but inside here this will not be 0.0. It will be I don't know, maybe 0.7 or something like that. And through this addition, right, of all of this gray value, you can kind of imagine like various circular gradient. You can visualize them as like circular gradients, right, for each of these dots. And oh, my explanation sucks, man. And there is also a pass where I will check what the value is for that particular pixel, and I can reject the value if it is below a certain number. My explanation sucks. But yeah, this is how I carve out the shape of the meta ball. Something like that, yeah, something like that. I need to think about how to explain it better. If you're interested, I have a devlog where I talk about the meta ball effect. Yeah. Anyways, did I manually set what bit to expand on? Yes, I had to. The code is very. It's a very lousy code, actually. So what I did was I opened up the music in Reaper, and then I look for the bar at which the music changes, and afterwards I just do this. I just say, oh, okay, if it is lesser than like 25, this is the function. If it is within this range, this is the function. This is very straightforward. Yeah. Is the devlog on YouTube? Yeah, just a moment. Let me see if I can find it. So there's just one devlog where I talk about the implementation of my lighting, and that one was done. That one had that one had a meta boy effect. Let me see if I can grab this. Okay. Share, copy. Let me paste it here. Oh, sorry, I don't have the YouTube command. Yeah, but the specific video is here. Let me double check if it's correct. Yeah, it's this one, yes. The meta ball part only came in later. Yeah, I'm not sure how useful my very simple explanation is though. Like I kind of just go through it very quickly. Okay, let me just add this in as well. Okay, let me run this. Any upcoming gems? You mean like, am I participating in any upcoming gems? Probably not. I want to focus on finishing this. Oh wait, yes. I'm participating in this one. Called hang on. What's the name again? Just a moment. Gems. There's this gem where you're supposed to just focus on finishing your game. What's it called? Found it. Taking part in this one, which is you're supposed to just focus on finishing whatever project you're currently working on. Marathon gem. A gem to encourage you to finish or just work on your projects for an entire month. Yeah, sounds fun. Yeah. It's just additional motivation, right, for us to finish our work. In my case, I really want to finish this game. Okay, I need to set this up. Hang on. Might participate, you have the time. Yeah, awesome. That would be great. It would be great. It will be super cool because then that means you'll be giving yourself like a milestone, right? That you'll be distributing like a demo or something by the end of the month. That'd be great. I would love that. I would love to play our game. Testing, testing. Testing. Can you hear me? Is it still lagging? Anyways, yeah, I think there's something wrong. Like every time I stream for 2 hours, right? You at the 2 hour mark, it will start lagging like hell. Yeah, I think we are back. Can you hear me? Nice. Okay, what jam am I participating in? It's called the Marathon Jam. It's a jam where you just take whatever project you're currently working on and focus on finishing it. Yeah. It's a nice one. Yeah, anyways, I have no idea what's wrong with my stream. Like, every time at the 2 hour mark, the stream will just start chugging along. I think maybe it's something to do with the internet service provider. I have no idea, to be honest. You have an idea for a smaller game? You have an idea for a smaller game that might feed a game jam out, or what might that be? Unless it has an unrelated. Oh, there's no theme. There's no theme for this jam. There's no theme for the jam, right? Oh wait, you're talking about smaller game jam, right? My bad. What time is it? It's 1:55. Wow. Probably aim to go at like what? 2 plus, 2:20 maybe. See if I can go at 2:20. Apparently someone named Discord for source script. Really? Where? I did not see the comment. Oh, it's in. Ah, I see. It looks like a name of a bot. Yeah, it pulls from like this list of people in the chat. Yeah, but I think it's just a bot. Discord for small streamers. We have bots lurking in the chat. Also, it has my hands on the right. What do you mean? Oh right, yeah. I just realized. Yes, yes, it does. It totally does. Arms are technically detached. Yes, that is correct. My arms are detached. Actually, I have two sets of front paws. Let me show you what I mean. There we go. Do you speak too much? No. I think that's fine. I like it. I love it. Thanks for hanging around, man. Okay, there we go. It is cursed. Okay, let's see if I can fix this. I need to lower the volume here. God damn it. Line 9. Music manager line 9. Line 9 instead. Here. I broke something here. Ah. Da. You still remember Fatal Error for the first time? It was really something. Yeah, I know, right? Volume. Oh dear, I just realized I didn't. Oh dear, how do I fix this? Oh man, oh man. This code is getting worse and worse. Do you break it already? Oh no, wait, it's gone. What was that? Yeah, it's scary, right? Crashing bugs. Fatal error. Bum 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 bum. There we go. For some reason, when you hide layers in the sprite editor, it does it. Really? Holy crap! Oh, I don't use the sprite editor much. Oh, even though you continue working with it. Right. Huh. When you hide layers in the sprite editor, it does a fatal error. That sounds like a serious bug. Okay, that seems to work. Bum 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 bum. Okay. Okay, now let's check why my draw GUI is not working. It still works, but it says GameMaker has become unstable. Please save and exit. Oh, I've had that a couple times, but I do not know what triggers them. It's interesting that the sprite editor will trigger that problem. Oh hey, hang on, I just remember something. Let me make you a VIP. Bum 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 bum. I still have a few slots. Ba 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 ba. Captain Blade 840. Captain Blade 840, there we go. Woo! Awesome. Yeah. What does that mean even? It doesn't really mean anything other than you're a VIP, you know. I don't actually know what being a VIP does on Twitch. Display underscore get GUI size. get width, then get height. Height, let's run it. No, thank you, Captain Blade, for always hanging around and discussing game dev. I love it. Okay, let's see. It's not drawing. I don't get it. It's not drawing. Oh, I know why it's not drawing, because I checked it's invisible. Okay, I made it invisible. Hey, thanks man, thanks for your kind words. Okay, there we go. That's the circle right here. It's gonna test things out a bit. Seems to work. Let me tap, 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 tap. Oh, it has to count to all the way to 25, I think. 1. Looks mega cool. Hey, thanks. I'm hoping to try to like put this into the meta ball somehow. Okay, it's beating faster now. Okay, let's see if I can get that working. Two things I can do. Make the meta balls move faster on each beat, or I can just scale them. Decisions. Okay, anyways, this looks like it's working. I can uncheck it. And figure out the next step. Bum 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 bum. Okay, well at least the integration sort of worked despite the horrendous code. Okay, something I can do that will maybe be easier is play the song once, then tap whenever you want an expansion in the circle, then save that to a file. I think that will be a lot easier. Save that to a file. Oh, so I don't have to do the. I don't have to keep track of the. I don't have to keep track of the. Like how far the song has played, right? I could potentially do it, but I think there may be some syncing issues with that method. Because I think we cannot. I don't think the hardware is 100% reliable with the playback speed. So like if the song repeats like once or twice or 3 times, eventually we can start to see it go off sync. I think. Yeah, but I'm not super sure. Like I'm not super certain about that. Like I could be wrong on that, to be honest. Oh wait, one thing I need to test is if I go back to the main. Let me see. Oh wait. No. When I call stop, I need to reset the values here. Oh, actually, it's just this. It's 3 things. Reset to 0. One more test. Oh my god, what the hell? It's almost... I say I will end at 2:20, right? It's already 2:12. What the hell? Time flies. Maybe I'll end at 2:30 instead. Wait, hang on. I went back to 1, that's good. Hang on. Let me make it visible again. Just double checking, make sure everything is working correctly. There's this weird pause right at the start, I don't get it. Oh no, it went off sync already. No wait, it did. It's not off sync. It's still okay. Game close was perfectly timed with the beat. Okay, good. I guess it's okay. Okay, go back. I don't get why the first beat is like way off. Not sure if it's just me. Look at that. What the hell? What's that? I have to think about why the first beat is somewhat off. Let me check. Bar count. Bar count is done like this. Or maybe I can just ignore the problem. Means that it's firing this right at the start. Whoa, I heard. What, is that Mario? Mario got sampled in this music. Per 2 beat, I will trigger this event per 2 beat. I think it should be okay. The first beat is definitely weird though. Oh, because 0 mod anything is 0, right? No, wait. No. No, what am I saying? Hang on. Time for it to get taken down by Nintendo. Oh yeah. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. I have a weird bug. Let me double check something. Bar count, then followed by beat count. Okay, it didn't trigger at first, so it's supposed to be working correctly. I just don't know why it's animating right at the start. Scale offset, what's my initial scale offset? Set it to 1. 1 is correct. Oh! 0.5. There you go. It does sound like a dance party in the beginning, then comes down. No party like a Moyang party? What is a Moyang party? Wait, 0.5 is wrong. What am I doing? Oh, I see. The only Mojang you know is Mojang Minecraft. Yeah, I know, right? Alrighty. Oh, oops. Guess I'm getting tired. Let's do some animation before I go. Oh no, not you too. What have you done, Amanda? What have you done, Amanda? Best command you've ever created. What have you done? Look at this horrible line here. Song T more than 121.912 seconds. That's the length of the clip. It looks like Song T, the time doesn't reset to 0 when the song repeats, so I have to do something like this. It's terrible. Lost. Embrace the late. Yeah, that's another command that Amanda created, lost. Come on, I didn't get lost that often, right, in games? As long as there's a map to help me. Oh dear. Now I have put the emoji on there. Okay. Okay, so now I just need to think about how to integrate the light manager. Like Manager. I need to start cleaning my code, right? There's a lot of stuff here that I don't need anymore. It's even better now. Anyways, how do I do this? I think I'm gonna try changing the radius first. Hello, Kalazor, you're back. My stream actually went offline for a short time. Do you know what causes the problem? Like every time when I stream like more than 2 hours, right? The stream will just get super laggy. I have to restart the stream to fix the problem. Super weird. Dog Jam! I'ma join in the party. Okay, have fun. Have fun with your UI. Best addition to stream. Dog Jam. Look, I can jam. Woo! I can jam. Okay. Red jam. Dog Jam! Yeah, man, look at that. Dog Jam! Alright. Back to writing code. Okay. Let me adjust this. The mouse control is super weird on this thing. Okay, there we go. Damn, I'm off-centered. There we go. Why don't I turn myself into a dog? Nah, it's okay. Too much effort. I like this Dog Jam better. Look at that. What's the dog holding in his mouth? Why is it blue color? It is time. The radius is here. There we go. This is the radius. I can change the radius. Pork jam. I'll look for it. There's I can only have like so many emotes though. So the stuff that is not important, I mean the stuff that is not as used, I can probably change them. Oh, I never knew I have this. This one is nice. Okay. Use this scale offset. Mr. Immortal. I know, right? This is from a video by Giant Bomb, right? If I'm not wrong. Bum 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 bum. Okay, it's time. Let's try and see if this works. Okay, let's try. No, wait a second, what am I doing? It's here, it's here. I need to do it here. Why do I have a times 2? Oh, okay, okay. Understood. Let's multiply by O underscore music manager dot this scale offset. And then one. I need to change the code a little. Also, are your custom scripts colored blue? Custom scripts? Custom scripts. Let me see, what are my custom scripts? I have, okay, let's try this. Is game level? It's colored the yellowish orange. This one, right? Yeah. Yeah, but if I define it like this, then it's blue. Yeah. I realize there is a difference between defining it like this versus defining it like this. Like this. I realize that there is a difference. If I'm not wrong, the scope of the function is completely different. Now if I do it like this, right? If I'm not wrong, I cannot seem to access my member variables or something like that. I remember I had trouble with it one time. So I'm doing it like this. Yeah, I could be wrong. I need to go back and check it out again. I just remember that I had an issue with scoping when I defined it differently. Yeah. Which is why now, if I'm writing functions inside an object, right, I write it like this. Yeah. But if it's a global function, then I write it like this. Yeah. I just want to add in the animation, but I think I need to change a few things first. I need to change this one. Let's make 1.0 be the default. 1.0 minus scale offset. But that means I need to change all of this as well. Let's change the default bit first. I guess I don't have to define this. Let's change it here. Let's beat it at 1.25. 1.25. You know what? Medium beat set at 1.25. Just call it MID. Meet beat. Ooh, what's with this music? It's a little bit noisy in it. Very metallic. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. White people happy is simply superior. Oh, is that a new emote? Bum 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 bum. I don't think I have it added to the channel. Maybe. Okay, let's set this up. Set this up. Huge beat. 1.5. For the lack of a better name. Huge beat. Mid beat. Machem Mashu. What's that? What's Mashu? Mashu. What is a Mashu? Friend, your friend's greeting, I see. Machem Mashu. Wait a second, I forgot something. Light manager, please. Okay, I think I have it there. You've never played any of the Pokemon games? Oh, not even the first gen? I'm only familiar with the first 150. Oh god damn it, I forgot to do my Duolingo. Ah! Never mind, I'll do it later. Machem is the origin. Yeah, I know it's the original 150. So I recognize Machem. Machem, Macho. Bum 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 bum. I can do it on stream. Ah! The hell just happened? Oh, scoping issue. God. Is it a scoping issue? Yeah, it is a scoping issue. Oh no! Oh no! How do I do this? How do I pass this in? Damn it! Oh, fine. Let's turn it into a member variable then. Ah! Code gets uglier and uglier. Amount to scale meta balls by yeah, whatever. Duolingo is waiting outside at my door with a gun. Yeah, I know, right? Oh no. How are you with Duolingo now? Like, what have they taught? What have they taught me? The basics, I guess. It's pausing! It's pausing! It's a bit too much. It's a bit too much. Maybe it's not. Maybe no. It's a bit too much. I need to make it more gentle. Gentle. Like 1.15. Let's keep it more subtle. Yeah, but I got it pausing. Yeah, I got it pausing. I want it to move faster as well on each pulse. Let me try again. Okay, it's more faint. I think I like it more faint. Like, subtlety is important. I think one more thing I can do, right, is make this a bit slower. Let's try 7. Pulsing Pork, yeah! Pulsing Pork. I'm just going to massage the numbers a little bit so it feel a bit more natural. I want it to be a bit slower, not so fast. Let me try. Bum 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 bum. Okay, it's a bit more natural. Then it will pulse faster later. Let's see. Let me also lower the volume here. If this works, I can probably go and sleep. Resume work tomorrow. So once it goes to 25 up here, it will start beating per beat rather than per 2 beats. Yeah! At 60, I think at 60, no, at I do not know what number it is, but at a certain number it will slow down. Housing. Okay, it's slowing down, There we go. So how do I do the background? This is the meta ball background. That I did like 2 streams ago, I think. It's basically the explanation for that would be the same as in the devlog that I pasted. Yeah, so the concept is the same. The concept is the same. I try to keep it very subtle. I try to keep it like as subtle as possible so it's not too jarring. Because like ultimately when we play the game we want to observe the foreground, right? Like all of the things that matters is the players, the obstacles, the collectibles. Yeah, but hopefully the player can like feel the vibe, you know, of the background. Background is vibing. Bum, 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 bum. Alright. I will have to test it on mobile, see if it works okay. Oh crap. So the next part would be dynamics music, which I have yet to fully integrate into the game. There we go! I'm sort of happy with this. I think this is a good time for me to take a break. Maybe I'll call it here. Oh, I'll call it here. What time was it? What time is it? 2:42. Wow, time for me to go. So a quick recap is I've been working on animation that is synced to the beat of the music. That's one. Second is music switching between like 2 versions of the music, so like dynamic music. So I've been working on these 2 things, and I've managed to integrate one of them back into the game. I got the background to pulse on each beat of the music. Yeah, so that's one thing. And I guess tomorrow I'll be showing this during the dev chat. Yeah, I think that's about it. Okay, thanks man, thanks everyone. Thanks for hanging around, I really appreciate it. I'll be back again to continue working on this. And tomorrow we'll be doing dev chat with Chow and with John. So that's that. Okay, thanks again. I'll see you all. Bye bye.